A phone number is one of the most useful starting points in a skip tracing investigation, not necessarily for calling the person, but for unlocking everything that phone number is connected to in professional investigation databases. Here's how a professional reverse phone investigation works and what it can reveal. When someone registers a phone number, whether a landline or a cell phone, that number becomes associated with their identity in carrier records. Over time, that phone number accumulates connections to addresses, other contact information, and various records across dozens of databases. A professional reverse phone lookup doesn't just tell you who the number belongs to, it reveals everything that number is linked to in the investigative database ecosystem. Starting with a phone number, a professional skip trace can typically produce the registered name associated with the number, the current and historical addresses linked to that number, other phone numbers associated with the same person, associated relatives and household members, employer information linked to that identity, and vehicle and property records. Cell phone numbers are particularly valuable because people tend to keep their cell phone numbers even when they move. This means that even if someone has moved multiple times, their cell phone number remains a consistent identity anchor across different addresses. Carrier-level data is also available to professional investigators with permissible purpose. This includes whether a number is currently active or disconnected, what carrier it's currently on, and whether it's been ported from another carrier, which can indicate a recent change in the person's circumstances. VoIP numbers. Internet-based phone numbers like those from Google Voice, Skype, or other services are frequently used by people trying to obscure their identity. Professional investigators have tools to identify VoIP numbers and often trace them back to the registered account holder through associated data. Number recycling is an important caveat. Cell phone numbers are frequently reassigned after a period of inactivity. A number that was associated with your subject 6 months ago may now belong to a completely different person. Professional investigators verify current association before treating a reverse phone result as definitive. For investigations where you have a phone number but need a current address, employer, or other identifying information, People Locator. Skip tracing turns around results within 24 hours or less. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your order or discuss your specific investigation needs.